Hello colleagues, today I'll explain a few important topics about Zoho Mail. In our previous session we discussed how to set up a primary email address for the Zoho Mail application. Now I am going to show you how to set up a default email address for your entire Zoho One account. This default email address will be used as the default for all applications included in the Zoho One bundle. When you create a Zoho One account first time, you are given an email address that ends with zoho.com. You can also add other addresses that you own to your Zoho account and send emails from those addresses as well. By default, when you send an email from your Zoho account, the email will be sent from zoho.com email address. However, if you prefer to send emails from a different email address that you have added to your Zoho account, you can change the default email setting to use that address instead. In other words, the default email setting is useful for people who want to send emails from a specific email address all the time, instead of manually selecting it each time they send an email. It's especially helpful for businesses that want to maintain a consistent branding and professional image by using a specific email address for all their communication. So you can use this email now for all your applications. Let's start using Zoho Mail. Click on the icon of application and take a short tour for personal settings. You can set your language, your time zone. It's very useful for the teams that work worldwide. Add your name, choose display name, and add signature that will be added to every email by default. That's it. Now we can choose a set of colors that we can see on our user interface. And let's use Zoho Mail. You can download a mobile application for your iPhone or Android system. Zoho Mail folders are virtual containers where you can organize and store your emails. They allow you to manage your emails more efficiently and keep your inbox organized. In Zoho Mail, you have a few default folders such as Inbox, Send, Drafts, Spam, and Trash. You can also create custom folders to organize your emails based on your preferences. For example, you can create a folder for emails related to a specific project or a folder for emails from a particular sender. You can move emails to a specific folder by simply dragging and dropping them, or you can use filters to automatically move emails to a specific folder based on a certain criteria. Zoho Mail provides several tools for navigating your emails, including tags, views, and searches. Categorizing your emails with tags is a convenient way to keep track of them. By filtering your inbox with a specific tag, you can easily access emails that are related to that category. Predefining filters called views can help you access specific types of emails. With ease, you can sort emails by unread, flagged, those with attachments, or those sent by a particular sender. Search is a highly effective tool that enables you to locate specific emails by using keyword, sender, recipient, subject, or other search criteria. This feature allows you to quickly find a particular email or a set of emails without manually browsing through your inbox. Moreover, Zoho Mail offers two powerful collaboration features: streams and groups. These features are designed to help teams communicate and collaborate more effectively. Streams allow you to create a real-time communication channel with your team members. You can post updates, share files, and communicate with your team in a single place and in a particular context. All team members can view and respond to the updates in the stream. Streams are perfect for quick and informal communication between team members. Groups, on the other hand, are ideal for more formal and structured communication. You can create a group for a specific team or project and add team members to it. You can then use the group to share emails, files, and calendars. Groups are perfect for teams or departments that need to collaborate on specific projects or tasks. Both streams and groups can help you streamline your communication and collaboration processes, ensuring that everyone is on the same page. They also help you to reduce the clutter in your inbox by keeping all communication related to a specific project or task in a single place. With these features, Zoho Mail provides a complete collaboration solution that can help teams work together more effectively. One of the coolest features is the integration with Zoho Click. With this integration, you can have a chat with your team members without even leaving Zoho Mail account. This is super convenient because you can discuss a specific email thread or project without switching back and forth between different applications. In addition to the Zoho Click integration, Zoho Mail also has several other integrations out of the box. For example, you can easily connect your Zoho Mail account with other Zoho apps like Zoho CRM or Zoho Projects. This allows you to manage your emails and other business processes in a single place. Moreover, Zoho Mail can integrate with popular third-party apps like Google Drive, Dropbox, OneDrive, etc. This means you can easily attach files from these services to your emails without having to switch between different applications. Overall, Zoho Mail's integration capabilities can help you streamline your work and increase productivity. By connecting your email account with other applications and services, you can manage your business processes more efficiently and save time. Filters are a powerful tool that allow you to automate your email management by organizing your inbox according to a specific criteria. With filters, you can sort your incoming emails automatically, based on the sender, subject, content, attachment, and other fields. For example, you could create a filter that automatically labels all emails from your boss as urgent and move them to a separate folder. Or you could set up a filter to automatically mark all emails from a particular sender as spam and move them to the trash. Filters in Zoho Mail can also be combined with other actions, such as forwarding, deleting, or marking emails as read or unread. You can also create complex filters with multiple criteria and specify the order in which they should be applied. Overall, filters can be a huge time saver by automatically managing your inbox and keeping it organized. Instead of manually sorting through your emails, filters can do the work for you, allowing you to focus on more important tasks. Talking about me, I have about several dozens of different filters. In the next lesson, we will pause for a moment and consolidate what we have achieved. It's very important to start using the tools we have learned early on, so that by the end of the trial period we will have a working system with a prepared team.